Paarsh E-Learning introduces you to creative art. Creative art is a graphic design course, where you will learn about digital softwares and tools. In this course you will learn how to design posters, greeting cards, and photo editing using Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator. Here you will be introduced to graphic designing and its contents. Elements of graphic design, including the tools. Concepts of graphic design, typography, layouts, and industry standards application.
At first I didn't know what creative art is. Slowly I learned about the concepts of graphic design and got more curious. Now I can make wonderful designs of my own. And I can direct my ideas into something big. Thanks to Paarsh E-Learning for introducing such an interesting course. So what are you waiting for? Join me in this beautiful venture of creative art. And boost your creativity.
So go ahead and book a free demo lecture now, to learn about the creative art course and explore the graphic designing softwares.